Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider on console. To begin, simply jump from a high point and press the jump button again while in the air to deploy your glider. You can then steer your character using the left analog stick, guiding your flight path. Remember to use the right analog stick to adjust your camera, giving you a much better view of your surroundings and helping you navigate effectively. Once you have the basics down, you can try some advanced maneuvers. Look for environmental updrafts, which are often visible as swirling air, to gain significant altitude and extend your flight time. To increase your speed quickly, push the left analog stick forward for a swift dive. For a smooth landing, gently pull back on the left analog stick just before touching down, reducing your descent rate. To truly master glider usage, focus on efficiency. Always plan your flight path in advance, using high ground and wind currents to your advantage. This helps minimize stamina drain, allowing for much longer flights. Try to alternate between gliding and short descents to conserve your stamina bar. Finding the highest possible launch points will also give you a significant advantage for extended travel. Even experienced players make mistakes, so let's cover some common pitfalls. A frequent error is deploying the glider too early from a low height, which quickly depletes your stamina without much benefit. Always keep a close eye on your stamina bar. Running out midair can lead to an unexpected and often fatal fall. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time in safe, open areas to truly master your glider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.